Most job applications get scanned by ATS software before a person ever sees them. It struggles with tables, columns, and graphics. So in this video, I'm using Claude AI to build a resume that keeps things simple, plain, and ATS-friendly. Let's do it. I'll give it the prompt. The first part covers format and layout. Single column, plain text, no tables or graphics, so ATS software can actually read it. The second part covers section order, then styling, fonts, headings, and bullet points. The last part covers content, how to write it, and how to expand rough info into a full resume. If you want to use this prompt, you can copy it from the description. Right below the prompt, I've added my info. Just the basics. The more details you provide, the better. Hit send, and let Claude do the work. It'll take some time, but I'm fast-forwarding here. And here's what it built. Name and title at the top. Contact info in one line. Then a short summary. 4+ years of experience. Proven track record of growing revenue. And translating analytics into actionable strategy. That's a powerful summary. Claude has written the work experience with real, measurable bullet points. Grew e-commerce revenue by 38%. Increased organic website traffic by 65% in 18 months. Just make sure this is your real data, and give it as much detail as you can, so it comes out accurate. Skills are listed in simple order, which is better for ATS. Only keep the skills you actually know. After that, education and certifications sit at the bottom, degree, school, dates, and anything that backs up your skills. If you want to change anything, just ask Claude and it'll do it instantly. That's what makes it so powerful. Once you're satisfied, download the resume, and you're ready to send it out. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more resume content. Thanks for watching.